Man, what's going on, everybody? Dan Filter checking out Hail the Sun, Mind Rider. This apparently came out like a month ago, somewhere early January. Trista, appreciate you for letting me know about this. If you guys have any requests, hit me up. Hit like, subscribe. And I've heard a couple of their songs. Repellent, absolutely just like a wildfire, off the fucking hinges. And then there's Parasitic Cleanse, which was very much like The Used. If anyone remembers The Used, I used to really like The Used. What happened to The Used? He dated like Kelly Osbourne, I think, and then just never heard from him again. Hopefully, Ozzy didn't make him disappear.
Into secret.
Here we go.
Trust me to keep it. The calls I get scream all at once. Switch the phone back to silent. Hope that you'll never notice the sorrow.
Damn.
Your tongue sticks to my neck. In the best kind of way, make your move. What's your move? I turn your veins, and I'm coming my way through your thoughts. All at once.
The guitarist is kind of using a Dance Gavin Dance kind of rhythm where it's really fast paced but subtle in the background there. And he does sound like The Used. He really does. Higher pitch, like his pitch is a little higher, but the way he kind of wails. Wails? I think that's the thing. Wailing? Yeah. The way he kind of wails his voice out there. Very much used-ish. Used-ish.
When I see you with someone, the alarms start to deafen my senses.
That was nice. When I see you with someone, the alarms start to deafen. First of all, very well written. Secondly, you hear the screams in the background there to like double underline the feeling of the alarms in his head going off when he sees her with someone.
Goes out the door. I know that with games there are losses, but I just wanna evade the process. The thought of your touch drives me insane.
I'm done.
In the best kind of way, make your move. What's your move? I then turn your veins, and I'm coming my way through your thoughts. All at once.
Here we go. Bridges make or break a song sometimes.
In the best kind of way.
Fell short.
What's your move? You're giving up while giving in turn. What's your move? What's your move? The pattern enables us. The soul from my tongue sticks to your neck. In the best kind of way, make your move. What's your move? I then turn your veins, and I'm coming my way through your thoughts.
That was a damn good song. That's better than Parasitic Cleanse. This is their best song that I've heard so far. Parasitic Cleanse is really good, but this is better. This is perfect for what their sound is to me at their best. Again, this is only the third song of theirs I've heard, But from what I think they do, this is the bag. This is the bag. And very well written lyrics here. Which, when you have a voice like that, it insinuates lyrics. Because it's not a voice that's going to win any fucking American Idols. You know what I mean? So you need it to match the lyrics. Because he can get an emotional twang on it. That what would you say, a classically trained vocalist won't be able to get that emotion into. You know what I mean? It has a heartbreak element on it, just sprinkled all over his vocal box. Give me lyrics that match, and they did here. And also, whoever did the fucking music video, nicely done. Haunting, using the shadow effects and the lyrics in there. Kind of like, if anyone has seen Bram Stoker's Dracula from the 90s with Keanu Reeves. Keanu is terrible in that movie, by the way. But the movie's good. He's just awful. But Dracula is like acting in the background. His shadow is doing separate things. Very fantastic effect. They kind of used it here. I'm down for it. I like the gothic vibe to him. Hail the Sun, good stuff. I want more heartbreak. More fucking devastating heartbreak from this man. Love songs are what he does. Again, very much like The Used. Like, when The Used sung about heartbreak, it was fantastic. Was it The Taste of Ink? Fire. Was it Blue and Green? Is that the name of the song? Blue and Green. Blue and Yellow? Blue and Yellow. It's a fire fucking song. Check that out if you haven't heard that. But I'm down for some Hail the Sun. Especially, give me more Sad Man. Some bands are just better when they're talking about lost love, sadness, or trying to get love back. The only lyric that didn't make a ton of sense here, I guess it could, but the tongue, the salt from his tongue was on her neck and vice versa. Wouldn't the neck usually be saltier than a tongue? Just saying. Because humans sweat. Your tongue's not sweating. Unless he just ate a pretzel before he licked her. Maybe. It's possible. It's possible. But hit like if you are still here. You are a real one. Good song, man. That was good. That was good stuff.